Hey everyone, I hope that you guys are doing well. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a short video. It's a daily snaps episode. I haven't done one of these in quite some time. Daily snap episodes are usually outings where I go out, and I didn't intend on making photographs for the sake of sharing. And that being said, the images that I'm about to share with you now are from a walk in the countryside. Whenever I go to Italy, I usually stay in Piemonte. When I say usually, I mean pretty much every time that I go out there, I stay in Piemonte. I know that watching this channel, you guys often will see pictures from like the big cities, and it's very easy to think that most of my time when I'm in Italy, that it's spent in places where there's a lot of tourism. The truth is that most of my time when I go to Italy is spent in a small little town that most people have never even heard of. And I like that. I like that, number one, because of the people that I spend my time with when I'm there. That's what makes that place special for me. And two, also because it brings tranquility into my life here in Los Angeles, as well as in some of the big cities when I travel. There's like a lot of energy in the air, and I love that. But it can also, when not moderated correctly, when not digested properly, it can turn into stress. On this particular late afternoon, early evening, I actually had gotten invited to go into Milan, and I decided not to go. I went out for a walk in my sweats and a jacket, and I took the X100F with me. And the images that I'm about to share with you, these are the images that I was able to make on that walk. And they're nothing special. I just wanted to share a little bit of tranquility with you. When I look at these images, I remember the breeze on my face. I remember how calming it was. The person that I was with, the conversations that we were having. And I figured I would share it with you. And if you could feel a fraction of the calmness or the tranquility that I felt on that day, that it would be worth sharing. And so that's it. I don't really have anything profound to say today, okay? Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. And I leave you with this segment, JPEGs out of the X100F, using this new workflow that I'm currently developing. Okay? Take care.